Hello everyone, welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'll show you how to remove the headrest in a Kia Sportage. Whether you need to replace it or just want to remove it for other reasons, we got you covered. First, raise the headrest as far as it can go. Next, locate the headrest release button. This button is located on the base of the headrest, on one of the rods. Press and hold the release button with one hand. While holding the release button, use your other hand to pull the headrest upward. Continue pulling the headrest until it's completely removed from the seat. To put the headrest back in, simply align the headrest rods with the slots in the seat, then press and hold the release button and push it down. And that's how you remove the headrest in your Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car-related tutorials. Thanks for watching.